Hello everyone, welcome back to this section. In this section, we want to talk about what if analysis. The example I have here before me speaks about Susan. Susan have not been doing too well in her academic performance recently or lately. She wants to know the amount of marks she needs to earn before she will move to the next level. So these are the scores she made from her previous text and continuous assessment. 60, 68, 70, 72. So before we apply if analysis, let's first find out the average. So what if analysis is very simple and you don't need to apply too many functions or formulas. So what you just need to do is to insert your equal to sign, then type average. So by the time you begin typing, you will get some suggestion, but choose average. So having typed average, we are going to include the figures, the previous figures or scores she has gotten. So we include the 4 scores and provide it with right bracket and press enter on your keyboard. So this is the final grade or average that she needs to get. So the next thing is to find out what she needed to score in order to scale through, because the average mark for pass is 70. So let's find out what she needed to score in order to meet up. The average final grade is 65, which is not up to 70 or 75. So let's find out what she needs to score before she can meet up with the requirements to move forward to the next level. So in order to find what she needs to score for her to meet up or get the required pass mark, so we are going to select this box, this cell where we have the formula. So I'll go to the data bar and look for what if analysis. When you click what if analysis, we have 3 options there. We have scenario manager, data table, and GoSeek. So we are going to make use of GoSeek. GoSeek will help us to find the value, find the right inputs or the right value that will bring out the final score that she needed to achieve or to make so that she can meet up. Because the GoSeek helps to calculate the average. The GoSeek helps to calculate the required or the missing figure that will complete this part. So from there she will get her answer. So what we're going to do now, we are going to make use of the GoSeek. So this box is already highlighted, so we are going to input 70, which is the average. There is mass. We are going to input 70, which is the minimum score to pass or to move to the next level. So after having input 70, we are going to select this box, the empty box for the final exam, that is C6. So having selected C6, we are going to click OK. Then you see GoSeek has been able to calculate that. So she needs an average of 90 score in order to meet up or to move to the next level. So that is very okay. So when you are done, click OK. So that is very, very correct. So I'm going to increase the font to meet up with others. So this is very, very helpful and very useful to use the go seek and what if analysis. So this is where we end this part. Thank you, have fun and take care.